DJI Neo2 is officially one step closer to hitting the market, thanks to its recent FCC certification in the US. This important approval confirms the drone is real and hints at some of the features we can look forward to. When you add this to the leaks and insider info we've seen so far, it's clear that DJI Neo2 is gearing up to be a solid upgrade, promising exciting improvements over the previous model. One of the coolest things about the original DJI Neo was how light it was, under 250 grams, so it could follow drone rules in lots of countries easily. The new Neo2 looks like it will stay in that same lightweight category, which is great news for beginners and travelers who don't want to deal with complicated registration. Even though it's small, the Neo2 is said to have double-layered propeller guards, making it tougher and safer to fly. This upgrade makes a lot of sense because many new drone users want something crash-proof. With better guards, beginners can practice flying without stressing over bumps and scrapes. The biggest upgrade might be the camera. The first Neo had decent pictures for the price, but rumors say the Neo2 will get a much better camera with a bigger sensor. Probably a 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, which is a big jump in image quality compared to before. The bigger sensor in the Neo2 means it can grab more light, which helps take better photos and videos with richer details, especially in tricky lighting like low light or scenes with lots of contrast. For video, it's expected to shoot in smooth 4K at 60 frames per second, which is awesome for anyone who wants cinematic quality clips. This is a big step up from the original Neo and puts the Neo2 right alongside other popular compact drones. There are also talks about improved image processing and maybe some new AI features to make videos look even better. Perfect for creators who want top-notch footage without spending a ton on a pro drone. Battery life should get better too. The FCC documents show the Neo2 will have a battery with about 10.7% more capacity than the first Neo. While DJI hasn't officially said how long it will fly, experts think it could last around 20 to 25 minutes on one charge, which beats the original Neo's 18 minutes. For a drone under 250 grams, that's a solid flight time, giving you plenty of chances to get great shots before you need to recharge. If all these rumors are true, the Neo2 will probably have one of the best flight time to weight ratios in its class. DJI has always been a leader when it comes to smart flight features in their drones, and the Neo2 looks like it'll keep that going. Rumors say the new model will have AI-powered smart flight modes, which means you can pull off cool, complex shots and moves without much effort. On top of the fun creative stuff, safety is expected to get better too. The Neo2 might come with improved obstacle detection, adding sensors in the front, back, and underneath the drone. These extra sensors would help avoid crashes and make flying way easier for people just starting out. If this is true, it's a big jump from the first Neo, which didn't have much in the way of obstacle avoidance. Another area where the Neo2 might shine is in its video transmission system, which could mean better live footage quality and connection. Rumor has it that DJI might use a new transmission system for the Neo2, maybe a simpler version of their advanced O4 tech or a stronger Wi-Fi setup. This would mean better range and a more stable live video feed, which is super important for taking great photos and videos from the air. The original DJI Neo came out as a budget-friendly drone at about $289 on Amazon, making it a solid pick for casual users. We don't know the official price for the Neo2 yet, but experts think it'll be a bit more expensive because of the upgrades. Probably somewhere between $299 and $349. That price keeps it competitive and affordable for beginners. With that price, the Neo2 will go head-to-head with other small drones under 250 grams, like the Outel Nano SE and similar models from other brands. What's also interesting is that DJI is launching several new products around the same time, including the Osmo Action 6, the Osmo Nano, and the highly awaited Osmo 360 camera, which is said to be aiming to take on Insta360 as the top 360 degrees camera. Even with all the new DJI products coming out, the Neo2 really stands out because it's aimed at a special group. People who want a super light, easy-to-carry drone with better camera skills, but without going full pro. This shows how DJI wants to give options to all kinds of creators, whether you're a vlogger, a hobbyist, or even a pro filmmaker. If the rumors are right, the Neo2 will be a big step up from the first model. It should have a better camera, longer flight time, smarter obstacle sensors, and more intelligent features. all while staying under 250 grams. That mix of being lightweight, powerful, and easy to use makes it perfect for beginners and experienced drone fans who want a small but strong drone buddy. Now that the Neo2 has passed FCC certification, the countdown to its launch is really on. DJI hasn't shared an exact release date yet, but with all the excitement building, we could see it available in stores pretty soon. Until then, drone lovers can only guess and hope DJI lives up to the hype from these leaks. One thing's for sure, the DJI Neo2 is ready to make a big splash, even though it's small in size. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this sneak peek at the DJI Neo2 and want to stay updated on all the latest drone news and reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment below to let me know what you think about the Neo2. Are you excited or waiting for more details? Until next time, happy flying and catch you in the next video.